Step 6. Prepare technology negotiation. Students with Mercedes Rojas. Tutor Danilo Cárdenas. Group 21 20 32 126. Definition of how to protect the intellectual property of the software. The development software will allow the administrator to access all the required information of the company in real time and measure the implementation of the strategy since they are addressed in software. It is protected by copyright. Compañía de Seguros Sura grants the licensor all rights to use in the intellectual property, preventing third parties from reproducing or distributing a copy. Thanks.